guys, we're heading to Nueva Ecija and getting straight to Mount 387. I'll be meeting with my friends in Mayapaya. So let's go. Right, we're here at the jump off point for Mount 387, also known as Mount Patong Amat. So at 1 p.m. we'll be hiking up. As of now, we'll be relaxing. Well, let's go. Go, go, go. This is our first stop. It's roughly, I think, more than 1 kilometer.
0.6.
0.6. Oh, only 0.6 kilometers. But you see, we're sweating a lot.
Alright. Before we get cold, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Come on. We're approximately 1.9 kilometers to the peak. We're very tired right now. Me and Emmer only, except Sir Eric.
It's very hard.
It's very hard.
It's very hard. Like you can do a towel rock.
I've been scammed by Emmer. They're off.
Why? Sabi niya 4 of 9, no?
Oh, 4 out of 9.
Easy trail. I know.
But early on, it's an early assault.
Easy trail only.
Okay, so we're heading now.
15 minutes only.
We're going. We'll see you at the top. So it's been raining here. While resting. While sunny at the same time.
May plug-in na rainbow, saka may plug-in na plug-in na hot air balloon.
Looking for spots for tonight's astrophotography, if given the opportunity to have a clear sky. Today we're waiting for the sunset, but unfortunately it's cloudy. So that's the perk of shooting sunsets and sunrise. I mean, that's the trade-off. But it's still gorgeous and beautiful when you're with nature. So it's been a pretty frustrating sunrise. In regards to photography, we don't have a sunrise today. It's too cloudy, but the hike was fun. The night was good. We have some clearing last night, so let's see what we have in store for her. Heading back. After back trading, we'll be hiking with this track. Going to Aloha Falls. Let's go. Let's hop in.
Hi guys! Andito po kami ngayon sa likod ng isang elf. Papunta po kami ng Aloha Falls.
In English, Brad. In English.
Oh, sorry. Hi guys, we are currently at the back of an elf truck. We are going to Aloha Falls. No, we are not in Hawaii. We are just in Karanglan, Nueva Ecija, Philippines.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh, yan ha. Kita-tingnan ko na ha.
So, 2 minutes more walking and we'll see the Aloha Falls. Aloha Falls.